degree of difficulty, which that's a very deep one. Headed back by Bruno Fernandes and Van Dijk. Decent one. Fernandes, in comes Elanga, hits the post. Comes out to Sancho. Liverpool trying to regroup. And Robertson gets a foot in. McTominay to Fernandes to Elanga. At the frame. Take a back seat.
Not even before the game.
And it comes for Jadon Sancho. Still Sancho. Cool as you like. Done with ice in his veins. And it's no more than Manchester United deserve. And Liverpool are 1-0 down again. Still going, still going. Having made the virtually impossible. Elliott for Milner. He's tried to get behind Martinez and keep the ball in play. Did the first. Elanga, who hit the post before the goal. It might be.
Recognises that he can get him.
Eriksen. Needed reaching. Luis Diaz. Blocked by Dalot. Good battle between the two. And again, but it bounces off him. Back in by Elliott.
He gets a free header, James Milner. He puts it back across goal, and Fernandes just smashed the side of his ribs.
Well, he's had a little bit of luck there, Martin. Lovely weighted pass. Doesn't have a.
Here's Milner sneaking in round. Started his Manchester. White. And it looked as though it was pre-arranged. Mo Salah can volley them. Martial and Rashford played in against Alisson here. Marcus Rashford scores! No flag. 2-0. The classic counter-attack. Rashford built his reputation on it. It will go to VAR. It's a tight one.
Oh, it's so tight.
And still, what a soft centre for Liverpool, and Rashford couldn't quite. Salah going for it. Robertson collecting, back in towards Firmino. David De Gea had to reach from this. Back by Elliott. Carvalho. Salah. Liverpool have got a goal.